Eventually, Hammond's escape pod was free. And he was able to join us for the getting into a wetsuit in a motorhome test.
Yes, I'll get changed in my contemplation zone. Lovely job.
Unsurprisingly, it was much harder in the Lotus.
Ow! Ow!
But surprisingly even harder in Hammond's land cottage.
I have had to leave some of the panels at the campsite, well, all of them, pretty much. And that has sort of compromised privacy, rather. Yeah, they're not going to go, are they? I sort of, if I maybe... No.
I've had a very clever idea, I think. I do, of course, have my escape chute, which leads directly into the back seat of the car. It's a way of moving between the car and the bedding area without having to get outside if it's raining, for example. So when I've got the bottom half on, I'm going to exit and enter the car and then slip into the top bit down there where I can sit up.
Hammond, meanwhile, had abandoned the Land Rover and stolen a child's tent.
Okay. Okay.
I'm not sure that the escape chute actually works. Hang on a minute. Ah! I might have got my shoulders stuck.
But just several hours later, my colleagues were ready.
It's cold. It's really cold.
It's not going to get any warmer.
Well, give it a couple of months, it might.
Well,
Come on.
Well, all right, what do we do?